Welcome back to another very exciting episode of Modern Motors. We are not in Texas anymore. We have officially made it to California. We're with the MC20. We are with the Koshi GTAM. We are on our way to Cars and Coffee this morning. We were supposed to film yesterday, but we got a little sidetracked. We had a nice ride in the BMW. That is ridiculous, bro.
This thing should not be that fast.
What's crazy about this car, it does not have a single straight surface.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Is that better?
It's at 100. I'm just making sure.
It looks more solid.
Yeah, it does look more solid. Did some test shots with the MC20. We saw the Ferrari, the 430 Scuderia. But it got too dark for us to film, so day one was kind of burnt until we're starting Saturday. It is 7:47 in the morning. We have a bunch of alphas that have shown up. Stelvio, Julia. We are off to Cars and Coffee. We're having a little bit of a pre-meet before the car meet so we can all jump in together. I think the GTAM or the MC20 are going to be the lead car that we're going to strap this DJI to, and we're going to get going in a few minutes here. Morning installs.
Luna de noche, canto por ti. Tú no respondes, luna te perdí por otra mujer, por otra mujer, por otra mujer.
We've made it to Cars and Coffee. Look at that.
I got my nice, this is my ticket of admittance to South LC Cars and Coffee.
There you go.
Welcome, SPJ, 458.
Fire. I'm definitely going to watch it. Oh, yeah.
We found Alfissimo out here with his QV. What have you done to it?
Squadra Streama TCU tune. My performance springs. I painted the calipers 100 anniversary.
Bro, I
color.
love this color.
Yeah.
We were just talking about it. How long have we known each other now? Like 4 or
I
5
want to
years?
say at least 5 years.
At
least.
This is the first time we're meeting in person. Yeah.
First time meeting in person. I mean, we live kind of a distance. I mean, Texas itself is huge.
Yeah. A little ways away.
Oh, God. Okay, so to put it on park,
Okay.
you pull both pedals to put it on neutral.
Okay.
Right? And then you got 2 ways to do it. Sometimes when you put the e-brake,
It'll do it.
it'll do it. But I found out that if you just open the door and let go of the brake, it goes on park.
Where'd you figure that out?
There you go. That's the procedure. And you hear the turbos?
Yeah, dog, that sound is unreal. Oh, that shit is so dope.
People are missing out.
Yeah.
It's a Maserati. It's shit. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It's not a Ghibli. This is not a 20.
Right.
What is it? This is not a 2015 Ghibli.
Right.
You know what I mean? And even the newer generations of those cars are very good.
Yeah. Go around when there's nobody.
Show these guys. There's
literally nobody in the car.
Nobody's driving.
They just drive around them?
Yeah, and pick up people and take them places, and people get on the back seat.
That's so weird. Are you trying to race, bro?
Oh, okay. All right. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100
Motherfucker was moving.
What are you doing? Oh shit!
That thing was moving.
Well, boys.
Good morning.
We are back. Oh, back with these toys again. And today's gonna be a little different though.
Good morning. We're driving the MC20 today. I got to feel passenger princess vibes yesterday, and it was, I'm not gonna spoil it for AB, but it was unreal. So today I get to drive it. It's Cars and, was it Cars and Coffee? What is
Something
it?
like that.
Cars and, no.
Coffee and donuts?
Sunday.
Supercar Sunday.
Supercar Sunday.
Yeah.
It's a supercar, right?
Yeah. You better be. Get in there. Get in there, young man.
Supercar Sunday.
It's been happening for like 25 years.
Now, like, I know there's a bad stigma with California and cops. They won't like bother you here at like one of these meets. Like,
They will not bother you here. Also, that area where I live,
yeah.
they don't.
We've been kicking it with Eric all weekend. He was gracious enough. I don't think I introduced you the first day to bring his Scuderia.
He had a prostate check last week.
He owns Cats and Cars.
So Cats and Cars started out as a crypto project.
Okay.
Where we gave away cars depending on market cap goals.
That's super dope.
It's kind of branched off into a little bit more than that now. We're starting a membership program.
Okay.
Where people become members, and we're going to continue the car giveaways.
Okay, and they can follow you on
Cats and Cars,
Social-
CNC, Cats and Cars.
and
CNC.
On Instagram, right?
On Instagram, and we have Facebook, TikTok, and
Okay.
YouTube as well.
This is Justin. I play video games with Justin every single day, but I've never actually met Justin in person. This is our first time actually meeting. And he's gonna show me his little slow C7.
Because you met Eric, Alpha Mods.
Yeah, that's good context. So you knew Eric in high school, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I knew him freshman year of high school.
Okay.
And then, yeah, you met him later on in life.
Yeah,
and then next thing you know, like, here we are.
Random
Like,
playing games, yeah.
Yeah, we're just playing video games for the last 2 years.
That's so funny, bro. We're going for a ride in the Scuderia with Eric.
What's up?
How many followers you got on
Excited.
What is it? Scud Daily? Scud Daily on Instagram?
How's it feel now that you're in it?
Stiffer than the MC.
The seats don't move. Like, they're not supposed to.
I was just about to say that. As a friendly reminder, videos like this are not possible without our sponsors. Shout out to TCG Repair for sponsoring today's video. I know you guys may be looking for a full MC20 review. I don't know if my thumbnail is clickbait, maybe a little bit, sort of. But I'm going to do the full MC20 review in a completely separate video. I was trying to mesh like 4 days worth of content into a vlog and then like the review, and it didn't really make sense. So you're getting the vlog first, and then you'll get the MC20 review later. Sorry if that's not what you're expecting. You could also be here because you're looking for the 8 years with Alfa Romeo. Sorry. I'm not even kidding. if you look at my weather app, it's literally raining all week. And it was literally the exact same thing last week. Today is my only sunny day. And if you guys are followers of the channel, you know that I only have 2 days at best to film. And it's raining, so I have no days really to film. So I'm going to overlay some clips of the MC20, short little clips that I have here, so you don't feel gaslit by the thumbnail. MC20 review. Short version, really cool car, really like it. There's a lot of history behind it. I think I won't be able to convey via camera how cool the experience is, but I'm going to do my best to give you an accurate description of why I think it's such a cool car, specifically coming from my perspective from running this type of Alfa Romeo Italian channel, if that makes sense. Cool car. If you ever get the experience to drive one, definitely drive one. Forgive me. I did not forget about you guys. I did not leave you guys. I did not realize what it felt like to be a full-time content creator, full-time, where I'm traveling and recording videos and meshing 3 days into one. Usually I'm just here at home and I can mesh a day because I remember everything, but traveling and vlogging, creating content is so much harder than I probably thought. And yeah, it's just, you know, I've been getting on a plane and flying and going all over the place, and I'm actually being worse as a content creator, which is not good. But no, I promise you, I'm trying to, if you guys got some time, okay, go back and watch like my first video ever on YouTube, and then watch this video. We've come a really long way. There's no classes that I'm taking. I'm just trying to be a better content creator, video after video. Go watch that one, then come watch this one. Tell me what you think. I think it's pretty big improvement. You know, don't toot my own horn, but it's, you know, my vlogs become more entertaining, if you will. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I really miss creating content for you guys. I promise. I'm trying to just pump out these videos, and then we'll go back to normal, as much as normal as I can be. I have a ton of products that I want to show you guys, a ton of stuff I want to talk about, but I can't do it in like these forms. I have to kind of make its own separate video, so bear with me. Let me finish this and drive through this, and I will continue on and make good content. If you guys have been on our website, you guys know that we sell strep bars, and unfortunately they've been out of stock for quite some time. We have them back in stock right now, all in black. You can get custom colors if you want. Just email us. If you are looking to get free laser engraving, please send us an email and we will get you free laser engraving with your order, as long as you let us take pictures of your product and put it on our website. Right? Makes sense, but I think I'm rambling. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week, which should be 8 years or second trip to California. Don't shoot me either which way. The doors are forged carbon. Everything is forged carbon. I love the way that these doors open up. Kind of give you a little bit of a walk around, show you the car. Okay, show you a little bit of walk around of the car. I feel like